The PS5 comes with ShareFactoryStudio Creator Packs. There's 7 in total, and this video is going to show you all that the Cyberpunk Creator Pack can offer you. Generally, there are custom intros, outros, stickers, screenshots, transitions and sound effects, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. For all the other Creator Packs, check out the links in the description. So to start, let's show you the Cyberpunk intro, titles and outros. Okay, and these are the Cyberpunk screenshots. And next are the Cyberpunk transitions on offer.
This is only half of the present. What's the other half? I'll let you know when I find it.
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel!
And these are the Creator Pack stickers that you could use. The text fonts for Cyberpunk are just shown here. And coming next are the Cyberpunk sound effects that you could use.
Back that up. Beware the machines.
Blocked.
Destroy. Chain.
Camping forbidden.
Distance to target. Downloading. Extraction complete. Game over.
Game over! Failure imminent. Get wrecked.
Glitched. I'm sorry.
Lag detected.
Kill streak.
Let's go! Let's see that again.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Locked on target. Not compute.
Pressing reverse. Respawn complete.
Scanning.
Rewinding.
Respawn complete. Streak. System override.
System override.
Uploading.
Terminated.
Terminate.
Weak signal.
So that's the Cyberpunk Creator Pack. There's 7 others to watch. Do watch the videos on screen now to see all the other Creator Packs, and if you want more ShareFactory tutorials, do check out the links in the description. I hope you found this useful. Please hit the like button. If you could, please use the support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thank you.